rays are out at SeaWorld today. Gonna go have some fun, see some fish and some mammals, maybe some reptiles. And Casey's gonna go watch the slide. Wow, there goes Manta. Ah! See what kind of trouble we can get into.
Well, look at these flamingos.
Casey, you see the flamingos?
Yeah. Well, go check it out.
He's so bigger. Daddy, he's so bigger.
How are you? What's your name? Hazen? Are you Nikki? Nikki?
Hazen.
Oh, I thought it was Nikki. I don't know.
I'm going to eat
I see.
Okay, you don't want this on the beach, on the sand?
Yes, I do.
But you can eat it too.
Hi, we're going to feed the sea lions. That's why we're going to throw fish there. After that, then we're going to ride Sesame Street ride train, okay? Yay!
Yeah. Kason is excited about feeding some sea lions. Sea lion show's going on right now, so it should be, oh yeah. It's about dead over here. Hey!
See,
Got it.
Daddy said me too. Here, Casey. You can
Give him a fish.
Give him one. Throw. Good job. Alright, here you go. Throw. Oh, he got it. Oh, do you see him eat it? Yeah?
Oh, yeah, I saw him
Oh, look, they're even like under. I was like, where's that noise coming from? Good job, buddy.
Oh, the other one got that one.
Drop it. Oh, you just chucked it all the way out there.
He still got it. Kason, watch Daddy. Watch Daddy. Okay, where you at, bruh?
Watch that bird, babe.
What bird? Oh, right
That
there.
bird.
I see him. There's another one?
Go straight, go to your left.
now.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
What? In the midst of all the
Oh,
chaos.
no. Gross.
I know.
Oh, that smells.
That's nasty.
That is nasty.
There you go. Good job.
job.
You like that. Right here. Drop straight down again. Ready? Chuck it.
Yeah!
Good job.
I'm pretty sure he rode by himself one of the last times we came.
Honestly, if the line's, I don't know if the line's going to be short enough, but if the line's short enough, you could even just stand there and keep an eye on him.
Yeah. Jason.
So, it's for caterpillar. Can you find the caterpillar? Make somebody
How was it? Was it fun?
Yeah. Now let's go see that
Hang on, Kason.
That's exactly what happened. So it doesn't make the loop the first time.
There he goes. Yeah, wait for him to come. There he goes.